Hey everyone, welcome back to probably the part 6 of the tutorial. And this time I didn't forget to turn on my mic. So yeah, the first thing I'm probably going to do is go into the enemy target and change this to 0. And at the battle start event, I'm probably going to fire the... where is it? What did I call it again? Oh yeah, change enemy target. There we go. Here. Fire server. Okay, so I'm going to fire the server the first one, the number one, and this will probably already set the enemy target to 1 instead of not setting it. So yeah, let's test it. There you go. After you attack, yeah, I think I'll fix the camera too, and I'll change the camera speed to... for now it's a little bit too slow. The camera is probably here, I think. It's been a while. Yeah, the camera is here. So I think I'll change it to 0.1, and it should probably be somewhat faster. Yeah, probably much better now. Okay. I'll make a new function called change target. No, you got function change target here, and then I'll do this, call the change target here. Okay, so now after you change the enemy, it will I'll make it so that the camera will point to the enemy already and not at the character. Where is the... there you go. Here I'll call the change target, and after the character changes, it should point to the enemy instead of the character, the camera. Okay, yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, I think I'll need to make a fix so that you cannot use the D key while the key is to change enemy target while the enemy is attacking. So I'll make a new boolean value called enemy attacking here. The value is of course false. The name is gonna be enemy attacking. Okay, so in the battle client, where did I put the keys? Yeah, there we go. And enemy and player dot enemy attacking dot value equals false. Let me see. And after that, here after you change the player dot enemy attacking dot value to false, and when the enemy attacks it will be true, and that should fix the problem. So now you're attacking. Yeah, you cannot change the target now. While the enemy is attacking, you cannot change the target. I think I'll make it so that you cannot change the target while playing animations too. Then player dot enemy attacking dot value equals true, and you should not be able to change the target while the character is attacking in the animation. Here, yeah, you can hear me spamming the keys real hard here. Okay, so that's some of my fix to the targeting system, and now I'll probably improve it by making so you can like target 3 enemies at once and all enemies. But first, I think we should make a new attack button, and here let me make this buttons visible. I'm going to make this one smaller, a lot smaller, probably 0.2 or something. Nah, 0.3 should be fine. Gosh, there. And a new one, I'll call this one skill, and I'll move it up a little bit. I'll change the position of these two. 0.4, no, 0.3 should be fine. And this one's gonna be a 0.7. I'll name this one basic UI dot buttons dot tag. I will change this to basic button elevated. And I'll send the buttons here to the function, and I'll do the same for the skill. I'll change the text here to basic attack, and the other one is gonna be a skill. There we go. For now, I'm just gonna copy the animations here. I'll name this one basic. Let's rename all of them to basic. And then make a new animation called skill. I'll change this to basic. Play anim. Let's change this to basic. And the enemy's animation should change the name to basic to instead of attack, or else it will break the animations. It will break the code and things. Yeah, I should add a new one called anim name equals skill. So after that, go back to the where's the button activated here, and I'll change this here to button dot name. After that, I'm probably I'm gonna need a few seconds to think. Alright, so I'm back now, and we'll make a new folder here called modules. Come on, the auto recovery modules, and add a new module script here and name it. I'm going to name it character skills. Yeah, and this to skill. Alright, so now I'm going to create some new things for every character, and some new like the list of character skills and things. So the first character is gonna be dummy equals something like this, and then oh yeah, I should add this here too. So the first one is gonna be the basic attack equals this one is going to be the damage scale equals this will be 50%. I'm just gonna type in 50, and then yeah, that should be it for now. And for the skill, it's gonna be the 100%. This is the percentage of attack that the skill and the basic attack will do. I'm going to paste it for every character. This one is Kiryu, Rick, I haven't named it yet, and virtual. Yes, I'm just going to change this a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit different for every character. So that's it. So that's it for the modules right now. The next thing I'm going to do is okay, so local, no, it should be up here. Local modules folder equals replicated storage dot modules, and then local car skills equals modules folder dot character skills, no, require, yeah. Okay, so now in the button activate, I think I calculated the damage right here. So now I'm probably going to remove the damage calculation in here and change it. There. Anyways, I'm move in here. Now I'm going to local current ally, no, fastest skills equals for I character in character skills, in character skill. Wait, let me print it out. I need to make sure I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, it works. If character, no, I gotta add a new one called name too, equals dummy, and paste that in for every other character, and then change it. Dot name equals fastest ally dot name, then fastest skills equals car, and then we'll have to find the skill by local current skill equal for skill in fastest skills 2. Yeah, I got add a new one called name here too. This one is going to be named basic. No, this one is gonna be a skill type. And I'm going to paste it here too and change it to skill. Here, here, and here. If skill dot skill type equals to button dot name, then yeah, I typed it right. Skill equals to skill, and then will local damage equals to skill dot damage scale times and then times the fastest ally dot config dot attack dot value, and then we'll add the damage right here. Let me see their attack again. The first one is Virgil. He has 40 attack, and his basic attack deals 80% of his attack, so it should be something like, let me pull out my calculator real quick. So it should be 40 times 0.8. It should be 32 damage for the basic attack. And in the play animation, I'm gonna add a new parameter, I think, called damage, and delete the damage right here. No, I'm just gonna keep it for now and change it to enemy damage, and paste it in here, there, so it won't break the enemy attack down here. Oh wait, the attack events on the server, where is it? Yeah, now I gotta send the damage to the server too. Damage, and damage here. Okay, so the enemy number 1. Now this won't be the first enemy. Let's test if everything works fine. Alright, so I'm going to find the enemy right here. Where is it? Which one I'm targeting? Oh, the fourth one. and their health is currently 200. I'll use the basic attack. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. No arrows here. So it works as intended. Now I'm going to make a new thing called target type, and for now it's going to be single for every skills and basic attack, but I'm going to change some of them, this one to AoE, and probably like this one too. Oh bro, I forgot to paste in the thing here. There we go. And this one to blast. Okay. So now I'll need to change this a little bit. Let me think a little bit. Okay, so when the button is activated, it'll send the enemy, right? Okay, if oh, I'll have to move the skills and things up here. I think it should be here. Yeah. If current skill dot target type equals to single, then it should do something like that. Else if current skill dot target type equals to blast, then then we'll have to run through all the enemies again. No, I think I could make it a little bit different. Here, something like this. And if the crit skill is blast, then enemy equals something like this, and then table dot insert enemy en, or I would like it being too long on this side here. So I think I'll make else if enum value equals to target value -1. Then we'll do another one here. +1. Yeah, that should make the enemy right here a table. Let me print that out. Print enemy, and it should break some of the codes. But I'm currently testing if that thing I just wrote works. Okay, so the dummy is have the blast type. Okay, works just fine. Works. I know which one is which one though. I'll probably need to change the image. But that's wait, something's wrong. The enemy's constantly attacking. I think I forgot to change something. I forgot to do something. Oh, I think I know what's wrong here. Where's the enemy at? Play anime. There we go. Yeah, I forgot to change the ones here to basic. And that's why it glitched out. It probably should work now. Okay, something's wrong again. Basic attack. Yeah, I forgot to change one animation here to basic. I swear this should work now. This must work now. Attack. Yeah, it finally worked. So I'm currently using the dummy. Yeah, nice. It print out only one enemy. Alright, I'll have to test this again. And I'm going to change virtual skill to blast for easier testing. So I think I'll be back with when I'm done fixing this one, and I'll back to record when I finish debugging this. I think I see the problem now. So in here I'm going to change. I wonder if it works if I just put it like this. Oh yeah, forgot to say this, but I just deleted this like this line right here. So I think so that's what's causing the glitch, I think. So you should delete it. Alright, I wonder if it works now. Okay, yeah, as expected. It didn't think this isn't a table, so if current skill but target type equals blast or AoE, then enemy equals this. So I move the enemies equals a table here from down here to here, because this is in a loop, so it will keep making a new table every time this one loops. So that's why we only have one enemy in the table. Alright, so it should print out a table with 3 enemies now. There you go. So the next thing I'm going to do down here is detect if the enemy is a table or some or a single enemy. If wait, I have to print out the type of the enemy up here. So I can test if it will send out table. Okay, yeah, the type is table, so now I can easily detect it. You can remove the print here now if you have it. So down here in the play animation, you're going to if type enemy is not a table, then you're going to do this. Else if type enemy equals a table, then for I enemy in no let's just do en in enemy do attack events file server en. Alright, so now we'll test this. I'm going to change the enemy to the second one here, and yeah, this is number 4. I'm currently targeting the second enemy right here. So normally if its basic attack, it should not damage the number 4 right here, but now let's test if it damages the number 4 when I use the skill. Yeah, it damages, so it worked perfectly fine. Alright, I think I forgot to remove the print somewhere. I think it's up in right here. And for the AoE, let's just do yeah, I think I should change this to only blast if current skill target type now I can just do it up here. Current skill the target type equals AoE, then we'll just make the enemy to folder dot enemy get get children. Now let's change the virtual skill to AoE so I can easily test that. So normally if you use a blast attack, it will only damage the 2 enemies right next to the main target. But now AoE, I'll see if it damages the target right here from here. Let me test this out a little bit. The enemy is right here. This is the 4th enemy. This is enemy number 4. I'll check their health, and it works. Yes. So we made a new skill today, some basic attack, a new button called skill and basic attack, and we made some new targeting type like AoE and blast. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I'll leave the model model link in the description, so you can download it. Not really download it, but yeah, you can see it for yourself, and see ya.